Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to get PlayStation 5 out of safe mode without USB. Let's go. Press and hold the power button until the second beep sounds, about 3 seconds. PlayStation 5 is turned off and ready to launch safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the second beep sounds, about 7 seconds. Switch to the PlayStation 5 source. Connect DualSense via USB cable. Press on the PlayStation button. Clear cache and rebuild database. If only the reinstall system software is available, then you will need a USB flash drive. That's it. Now you know how to get PlayStation 5 out of safe mode without USB. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.